Hi everyone, my name is Michael Maggiano, and I'm happy to be here in collaboration with Mom and I, and to talk to you about various topics of public safety that we will be covering in a master's program. And it's appropriate that today we start off by talking about bicycle safety. Today, leaving New Jersey are 6 police officers who are joining officers from around the country on this tour. And I'd like to give a shout out to Officers Armando Antonio, Carmen Fiorenza, Christopher Curry, Kelsey Ford, Natalie Mateos, and Nicole Busenik. They are riding for those officers who've given their lives in the call of duty. How many of you parents know that there is a New Jersey bicycle safety manual? How many of you know that you can actually get bicycle safety instructors? On our Bicycle Safety Day in September, we will have manuals available. My law firm is dedicating hundreds of helmets and safety vests. Be safe and be seen is the motto of the day. Today, we're in an urban environment. You can't tell where one town ends and the other begins. Millions of vehicles travel through our area every year. Now, what are we going to do about that when our kids are saying, Mom, Dad, I want a bicycle? We have to make sure the bike is safe, that it conforms with the law. And I encourage all of you parents to join us on Bicycle Safety Day. There'll be announcements in September. It may save a child's life. A bicycle is a vehicle, and it's not exactly as simple as you would like to think it is. Now, the prudent motorcyclist, the prudent car driver, the prudent truck driver does a pre-trip inspection before one drives. Do you make sure that you do a pre-trip inspection of your child's bicycle? This is so important, and it's so simple. Everything you want to know about bike riding is on the internet. I would not exactly recommend riding down Main Street. I do not want my grandchildren on the streets of Fort Lee. The streets of Fort Lee really are for cars. I represent the injured. It's dangerous. And really, you don't want your children competing with automobiles. There's no need for it when we have so many parks and safe riding spaces right in our neighborhood. For you motorists, in 2022, Governor Murphy passed into law the New Jersey Safe Passing Law. And if it is a moped, if it's a bicyclist, if it's a person going along a street in a wheelchair, you have to slow down, move over in safety. And if you can't move over in safety, you have to travel, reduce your speed to 25 or less until you can move over with safety. Now, for you bicyclists, you weekend warriors, you travel in four abreast. Our streets really can't accommodate that. With traffic the way it is, travel in single file and be seen and be safe. Not only should you get your helmet on, but you should also get your safety vest on and make sure it's a reflective vest. Do you know that dusk is one of the hardest times to see an individual? So be safe by being seen.